What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I'm back at you guys. We getting there, fellas. We getting there. Got the floor put in. Got the floor in, guys. Got the towel in for the floor. What you guys think? Definitely getting there, guys. We definitely getting there. How you guys doing, man? I hope everyone is doing good. Hope everyone is having a good day. Hope everyone is staying blessed. You know my motto. Stay blessed and invest. Buy assets, guys. So all this inflation that is happening, those who own assets will be the ones who's going to be profitable because assets appreciate over the time. And the reason why things go up in time is because inflation. Because inflation, guys. Because inflation. So buy assets, guys. Buy assets, guys. That's the only way, guys. You guys will be able to stay in the game. Trading stocks is good. Investing stock, the stock market is good, but make sure that you invest in blue chip stocks like Netflix, Disney, the metaverse and things like that. Things that are gonna, these big companies that's gonna grow in time that, that aren't going to pretty much go out of business if something happens, that are going to get bailed out. But my thing is real estate. You see what I'm doing, renovations is coming along. Gentrification is happening. I'm taking advantage of it, guys. See what the bathroom looks like. Got the bathroom tile. Let's go. The bathroom towel, guys. It's looking good. Gotta change the bathroom light. So you can see. Bathroom is coming along. Guys. A lot of this gray color. A lot of gray, guys. A lot of gray. What you guys think about this gray tile? You guys want to show you the after video. When it's all said and done. Got the brand new toilet. Guys, leave a comment, guys. Tell me what projects you guys are working on, guys. Are you working on any projects in your home? Let me know, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button, guys. Like and subscribe. Stay blessed and invest. I'm out.